Good morning to everybody. Today the name of the topic is the Ring of Terror. Class 9. I think you have got some knowledge about the French Revolution. Whatever I had explained on the first day and the second day. Today the name of the topic is the Ring of Terror. So what is the meaning of ring? Ring means rule. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred as the Ring of Terror in France. I have already told you what ring means rule. Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. All those whom he saw as being enemies of the Republic, ex-nobles and clergy. I had already told you who were the clergy. They were the first estate or groups of the French society. Members of other political parties, even members of his own party who did not agree with his methods were arrested, imprisoned and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal. What is the meaning of tribunal? It is new word for you. Tribunal means a board of officials to settle dispute. If the court found them guilty, they were guillotined. The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. It was named after the guillotine who invented it. Robespierre's government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed. What is the meaning of ration? Limit the supply of food. Peasants means farmer. I had already tell you were forced to transport their grain to the cities and sell it at prices fixed by the government. The use of more expensive with flour was forbidden. It means underline it, flour used to make bread was forbidden. All citizens were required to eat the pain dignity equality bread, a loaf made of whole wheat. Equality was the shout to priest. Equality was the shout to priest practice. Shout to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Instead of traditional monsieur and madame means madam, all French men and women were henceforth citoyen and women means citizen. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks offices. Robespierre pursued means come to do, came to do. What is the meaning pursued? Came to do his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand moderation. Finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794, arrested and on the next day sent to the guillotine. What is liberty? Two conflicting views. The revolutionary journalist Camille Desmoulins wrote the following in 1793. He was executed shortly after during the Reign of Terror. Some people believe that liberty is like a child which needs to go through a phase of being disciplined before it attains maturity. Quite the opposite, liberty is happiness, reason, equality, justice. It is the declaration of rights. You would like to finish off all your enemies by guillotining them. Has anyone heard of something more senseless? Question mark. Would it be possible to bring a single person to the scaffold without making 10 more enemies among these relations and friends? On 7th February 1794, Robespierre made a speech at the convention, which was then carried by the newspaper Le Moniteur Universe. Here is an extract from it. Scaffold means SCAFFOLD. You can write in your copy. There's a platform used for merely for public executions. To establish and consolidate democracy, to achieve the peaceful rule of constitutional Jews, we must first finish the war of liberty against tyranny. We must annihilate the enemies of the republic at home and abroad. To else we shall perish in time of revolution. A democratic government may rely on terror. Terror is nothing but justice, swift, severe and inflexible, and is used to meet the most urgent needs of the fatherland. To curb the enemies of liberty through terror is the right of founder of the republic. A directory rules France. The fall of the Jacobin government allowed the weather middle classes to seize power. A new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non-propertied sections of the society. It provided for 2 elected legislative council. These then appointed a directory on executive made up of 5 members. This was meant as a state guard against the concentration of power in one man executive as under the Jacobins. However, the directors often clashed with the legislative council, who then sought to dismiss them. The political instability of the directory paved the way for the rise of military director Napoleon Bonaparte. I will discuss about Napoleon Bonaparte after some time. If it is possible today, if it is not possible today, I will discuss tomorrow. Through all these changes in the form of government, the ideas of freedom, equality before the law, and of fraternity. What is the meaning of fraternity? A group of common interest. Reminded inspiring ideals that motivated political government in France and the rest of Europe during the following century. The abolition of slavery. One of the most revolutionary social reforms of Jacobin Reagan was the abolition of slavery in where important suppliers of commodities such in the French colonies, the colonies in the Caribbean, Martinique, Guadeloupe and San Domingo were important suppliers of commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. But the reluctance of Europeans to go and work in distant and unfamiliar lands meant a shortage of labor on the plantations. So this was made by a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa and the Americas. The slave trade began in 17th century. French merchants sailed from the ports of Bordeaux of Nantes to the African coast, where they bought slaves from local chieftains, banded and secled. The slaves were tightly into ships for the 3 months long voyage. The journey of sea or the Samudra Yatra across the Atlantic to the Caribbean. Caribbean means West Indies. There they were sold to plantation owners. The exploitation of slave labor made it possible to meet the growing demand in European markets of sugar, coffee and indigo. Port cities like Bordeaux and Nantes owed their economic prosperity to the flourishing slave trade. Throughout the 18th century, there was little criticism of slavery in France. The National Assembly held long debates about whether the rights of man should be extended to all French subjects, including those in colonies, but it did not pass any laws, fearing opposition from businessmen and whose incomes depended on the slave trade. It was finally the convention which in 1794 legislated to free all slaves in French overseas possessions. The, however, turned out to be short-term measure. 10 years later, Napoleon reintroduced slavery. Plantation owners understood their freedom as including the right to enslave African Negroes in pursuit of their economic interests. Slavery was finally abolished in French colonies in 1848. The revolution and everyday life. Can politics change the clothes people wear, the language they speak or the books they read? The years following 1789 in France saw many such changes in the lives of men, women and children. The revolutionary government took it upon themselves to pass laws that would translate the ideals of liberty, equality and equality into everyday practice. One important law that came into effect soon after the storming of the Bastille is the name of a city in France. In the summer of 1789 was the abolition of censorship. What is the meaning of censorship? You can write in your copy. An official who examines books, films, etc. What do you mean by censorship? An official who examines books, film, etc. It is the meaning of censorship. An official who examines books and films, etc. One important law that came into effect soon after the storming in the Bastille in the summer of 79 was the abolition of censorship. I have already tell you, in the old regime or written material and cultural activity, books, newspaper, plays could be published or written material and culture written could be published or performed only after they had been approved by the censor of the king. Now the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen proclaimed freedom of speech and expression to be natural rights. Newspapers, pamphlets, books and printed pictures flooded the towns of France from where they travelled rapidly in the countryside. They all described and discussed the events of change taking place in France. Freedom of the press, who also meant that opposing views of the events could be expressed, each side sought to convince the others of its position through the medium of print. Plays, songs and festive processions attracted large numbers of people. This was one way they could grasp and identify with ideas such as liberty or justice that political philosopher wrote about at length in text which only a handful of educated people could read. Now, conclusion. In 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself Emperor of France. He became the Emperor of France in 1804. He set out to conquer neighboring European countries, disposing dynastics and creating kingdoms, where he placed members of his family. Napoleon saw his role as a modernizer of weights and measures provided by the decimal system. Initially, many knew saw Napoleon as a liberator who would bring freedom of the people, but soon in Napoleonic armies came to be viewed everywhere in an invading force. He was finally defeated at Waterloo 1815. Battle of Waterloo was held in 1815. Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated in Battle of Waterloo. Many of his measures that carried the revolutionary ideas of liberty and modern laws to other parts of Europe had an impact on people long after Napoleon had left. The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. After the French Revolution, liberty and democratic rights were given to the common people. This spread from France to the rest of Europe during the 19th century, where feudal systems were abolished. After the French Revolution, feudal system was abolished. Colonized peoples reworked the idea of freedom from bondage into their movements to create a sovereign nation state. Tipu Sultan and Raja Rammohn Roy are two examples of individuals who responded to the ideas coming from Revolution France. Tomorrow I will discuss the main topic of the chapter. You should bring your copy and write the main events and main points of French Revolution tomorrow. Tomorrow I shall give you some important points of French Revolution. More to know. Raja Rammohn Roy was one of those who were inspired by the new ideas that were spreading through Europe at that time. The French Revolution and later the July Revolution excited the imagination. He could think and talk about nothing else when he heard of the July Revolution in France in 1830. On his way to England at Cape Town, he insisted on visiting frigates flying the revolutionary tricolor flag through. He had been temporarily lame by an accident. So I shall tell you tomorrow the important points of French Revolution bring your copy, write your copy, and then after tomorrow the question answer will be done in the class. Thank you very much.
ये ट्यूसडे का जो गड़बड़ हुआ था ना वो
20 मिनट 48 सेकंड